Nandito kami sa Pasay kasi may car show dito sa Hotel Ava. Nag-register kasi ito si DM.
Yan, ganyan mo. Nasaan na yung ganyan mo?
Bago yata open house. Re-register si DM dito. Andito kasi si Joey Mid. Joey Mid, yung Angeline Mid pala. Anong pangalan nun? Sige. Sila Anton. So, ayan. Ito yung mga sasakyan. Lahat yan kay Joey Mid, hindi? Joey. Ano pangalan? Angie.
Meron na po.
Ay, wala. Ayun si Joey Mid yata yung mga baba. Ay, Joey. Joey ako na. Ang car show.
Into a fun, safe, and memorable escape for everyone.
Si Angie Mid. Pila ka na doon, no? Sa likod.
Talaga sila at tumayo para lang makita si Miss Angie King. Grabe ang support. Thank you so much guys for the love. At tayo lang sa Hotel Ava ang may ganito guys. We have the King Garage Room. Pwede nyo na pong i-check out po yan guys to third aisle and see how amazing it is. Once again, one of our unique rooms here at Hotel Ava.
Nakapila si DM.
Hotel Ava for our first ever open house in Puerto Public, ladies and gentlemen.
Ayun, meron. Papirma mo na yung mga papapirma mo.
Tuaso.
Yan si DM.
Where are you, Mr. Ethan?
Ready mo na.
Come by now in our stage area and receive your special prize.
Isa lang ba? Asa yung box?
Tuaso.
Pati yung box. Ayan, pati yung pirmahan mo. Hawakan mo na, huwag mo na itago. Kasi ikaw
Guys, kaway naman kayo.
Labas mo na kagad.
Okay, let's have a photo options. Next set of winners, ladies and gentlemen, we have Riazon Ocampo. Riazon Ocampo, congratulations to you. Next, Nico J. Landicho. Nico J. Landicho. Next winner, Milagros Eyang. Milagros Eyang. Next winner, Romel Eyang. Romel Eyang. Next winner, Miguel Camacho. Miguel Camacho. Once again, our second set of winners, Riazon Ocampo, Nico J. Landicho, Milagros Eyang, and Romel Eyang.
Wow.
Okay, there you go. Congratulations to all our winners, our videographer.
Ay, DM mo.
Please stand by. If you're
Ayan, may free food.
here with us, ladies and gentlemen. Once your name's called, it means you won free gifts from
May
Motu.
free food.
First winner, Brent Noah Kunaran. Brent Noah Kunaran, where are you? Congratulations, you won 3 gifts from our Motu family. Please stay on stage and complete the list. Next, Romel Kunaran. Romel Kunaran. Congratulations, sir.
Ito din, may pwede siya. Okay.
Congratulations.
Kumuha ka na.
Please stay as you complete for this round of call. Next, Jervin Valenton. Jervin Valenton.
Free food. Ayan, free meal.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, going doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got
Angie, congratulations, Miss Angie. We have a lot of supporters here. What do you want to say to all the people who attended our open house event?
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you to everyone for attending, even if the rain last night was crazy. I woke up mga 3 a.m. and I was like, oh my God, umuulan na naman. We actually have a running joke sa office. I shouldn't pick the date kasi always umuulan. But thank you for braving the weather.
That's right.
Attending our first ever open house. Even during the generation of my father, I don't think we've ever done anything like this. So this is a first, and
Nice.
I'm so happy at the turnout. It looks amazing. The cars look good with the back.
Okay, yung anak. Okay, kayo po. Ikaw sir, nag-enjoy ka po ba sa event natin today? Apo. Sa food. Okay, busog-lusog. Okay, how about you sir? Did you enjoy today? Yes po. Okay, please book the Star Wars room, okay? Go get your prize. Ma'am, parang sino po ang anak po sa inyo? Nalilito po ako. Para kayong 18 years old. Kaya talaga. Ma'am, Starbucks lang mo sir. Okay.
So, ayan, tapos na ang event. So, nag-take out kami ng pagkain. Kakainin namin dun sa sasakyan. Ayan. Ang init.
Matuluan ko ng
Bachelor's Squad. So, ayun. Gusto kong ewan ko magsisimba kami sa Baclaran. Kasi nandito na rin naman kami. Uwi na kami. Ang init, grabe. Sa Pasay pala to, parang 3rd year o 4th year anniversary. Tapos may meet and greet ni Angie Mead. Angie King? Angie Mead. Dito to sa Cuneta, Hotel Ava. Ayan. Ayan. Malisa kami doon. Ang init. Dinala ko tong fan para doon. Nakalimutan ko naman dito sa sakyan. So, no choice, ha? Tubig. Ayan. Ito may Baklava. Grabe init. Anong oras ba? 10 pa lang pala.
30. 11.
Yung panahon parang alas 12 na. Ang init. Hindi namin kasama si JJ kasi nagkanta. Choir kasi siya. So, apat na ano daw siya. Ang tawag doon?
Misa.
4 na misa.
Ano ba?
Kaya sa paglinggo hindi siya madalas makasama dahil busy sa simbahan. Kaya kami tatlo lang lagi.
Kasi na yung diyan? Yung potato ko. Ay! Tinatanong kita kanina kung gusto mo, sabi mo,
Take
ayaw
out.
mo. Wala na. Sana pinunod.
Ay, dito kami sa may tak-tak. Bagong lugar ng food park. Nabibisi at takoyaki. Ito ba yun? Ito yun? Binibilan nyo? Doon.
Takoyaki.
Hawa ka mo. Yan. Konti lang. Para dito may parking na sa loob. Hindi katulad nung nakaraan. Pero kukonti lang sila dito. Ayan, ang init ng panahon pero ang order ko sotak po. Diba? Tapos coffee sa Plan B. Ito yung dating DK. Yung pinupunta namin sa Taktak. Doon sa isang lugar, doon sa may simbahan. Tapos yung KDM. Ayan. Thank you.
Pwede pong plastic na lang po natin.
Sige po.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Yan, kay DM. Takoyaki.
Ayun,